Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Paul and today we are going to talk about that one key element that can take your travel videos to the next level. Engaging voiceovers. Right now! Let's jump right in. First tip, be a storyteller, not just a narrator. When it comes to voiceovers, it's all about immersing your viewers in the journey. Instead of simply describing what's on the screen, tell a story that evokes emotions. For example, instead of saying the beach is beautiful, paint a picture with words like, as the golden sun kissed the shimmering waves, I felt the gentle breeze whispering secrets of paradise, inviting me to explore the untamed beauty that lie ahead. See the difference? Your audience wants to connect with you, so don't be afraid to let your true personality shine through. Be genuine, enthusiastic, and even inject some humor if it suits your style. Remember, it's your voice that will make your video stand out, so own it. Incorporating local language or unique phrases can instantly immerse your viewers in the culture of the destination. For instance, instead of simply saying, the food here is amazing, try something like, as I devoured the mouth-watering street food, the locals cheered, delicioso, echoing through the vibrant streets, celebrating a symphony of flavors that danced on my taste buds. Voiceovers are not just about your voice alone. They're about creating an audio experience. So don't hesitate to enhance your narration with subtle sound effects that complement the visuals. Imagine describing a cascading waterfall and adding a soft, soothing sound in the background. It adds extra layer of immersion that your viewers will appreciate. Don't be afraid to push boundaries and try unconventional approaches. It's when you step out of your comfort zone that you truly find your unique voice. Maybe that means whispering your voiceover during a serene moment, or even singing in your narration like a ballad. Get creative with your imagination. Just run wild and let loose. Remember, the key is to be a storyteller, embrace your authentic voice, add a touch of local flavor, play with sound effects, and take risks. Now, if you enjoyed these tips and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for weekly travel tips, adventures, and writing tips for your travel vlogs. Okay, so that's it for me. Let's all learn, create, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.